Hey guys, this is day 2 of our David story. All right. So remember we talked about how that David was a shepherd a boy. He was a young boy, he was a shepherd boy, and shepherds were people who would look after sheep. So David was watching after his father's sheep. Shepherds had many responsibilities. They had to take care of sheep. They had to make sure that they had green grass. They had to find some shade for them to lie under, and they also had to lead them to water. David was a very special type of shepherd. He was also a worshiper. He loved God and he loved to sing songs to God. He would oftentimes play his harp for his sheep to relax them. And then sometimes being a shepherd was very hard. They also had to keep them physically safe from predators. Predators are animals that would want to hurt the sheep. All right, so this is where we left off yesterday. All right, so one day in particular, while David was watching his sheep, a lion crept up and grabbed one of his sheep. He snatched him right up and took off running. What would you do if that happened? I think I would probably take off running. But did David run away? No. He chased that lion down and he grabbed it by its neck and he killed it and he took that sheep. Isn't that awesome? What strength he must have had. Then another time, a bear ran up and stole one of his sheep. Did David run this time? I mean, it's bigger, it's a bear. No, he went after that bear and he saved the sheep again. Wow, he really is a good shepherd. Even though he had these victories, David was humble, meaning that he never went and bragged to his brothers or his dad about what he did. He gave all the glory to God. He never even told people about it. So that is so awesome. All right, friends, we're going to pick up with the rest tomorrow.